You're listening to the Call Kent podcast, where Kent C. Dodds answers questions and gives insights to software engineers like you. Now, let's hear the call.
Hey Kent, it's Jan. I was wondering, why are you using the Express adapter for your own personal website and for the Epic stack as opposed to the normal Remix dev server? Is there any reason for that? Thanks a lot. Bye.
And that was the call. Here's what Kent had to say.
Hey, Jan, thank you so much for the question. So yeah, the primary reason for using the Express adapter is everything that I'm doing in the server index.ts file. So if you go to the Epic stack as the example for this, go to the server directory and then index.ts, you'll see that I'm doing a number of things in here that are not built into the way that the Remix dev server does things. For example, we're setting up Sentry. We have a couple of special headers that I want to have applied. And these things I believe you actually can do with the Remix dev server. But there are a couple other things that you can't, like the specific logging that I want to have done, the content security policy with Helmet. That is also something that you can't do with the Remix dev server. Now, eventually, some of this stuff will hopefully be doable with just Remix dev server itself when it has some sort of middleware solution. But for now, where there is no middleware solution, we need to use the Express server. And maybe even in the future, we'll keep the Express server just to, because it does give you a lot of flexibility. But yeah, I would love to not have to have an extra build. Like it does complicate things where we have to have a server build and we can't share code between our Express server and our app, our Remix app very easily, stuff like that. It would be really nice to get rid of that. But the fact is that there are things that I need done that cannot be done currently with the Remix dev server. That said, like that, I'm glad that this is possible. This is one nice thing about Remix is that it just interoperates with just about everything, and so you can slide it into whatever setup that you currently have. So I hope that's helpful to you. Thank you so much for the question, and we'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.
This has been the Call Kent podcast. Learn more about Kent at kentcdodds.com and get your own questions answered at kentcdodds.com/calls.